Mikey. And today we're going to Hikiniko in VGC. Sarap. Ano yun? Ang sarap sis. Kaya nga, sarap. Ito. Ito? Busog na agad tayo. Cinnamon. Yung pepperoni. Thanks sis. Sarap. Masarap. Diba? Ayan. Yung laman. So yummy. Yung gusto ko parang puff talaga. Ito. Pagkarap pala. Super. Yun yung parenta. May padded na siya.
Oo. Tapos, pinapatungan ko lang siya ng ano. So, parang top siya. So,
Tapos naka-shorts ka.
may black ako nito.
Loafers. Oh, naka-sale ah.
Patry mo nga ito.
Hindi nakaka... Sige, tingala ka lang dun pa. Wow.
Daddy,
Ganap na ganap ka naman. Tingin ka.
Pops! Si Mom, the CZ, sa Tuesday kasi birthday ni... Ay, hindi. Sa bukas birthday ni CZ and sa Wednesday birthday ni... Johnny! And Tuesday is graduation. So, early celebration na rin to, guys. Pero, since full pack ang schedule in the next few days, we decided na lang na mag-celebrate today. Ah!
hi guys. Papunta na kami sa
Hikiniko to Komi.
Akala ko Hikiniko like eh. Yung Mikey po ba?
Ayun. So, before pala kayo pumasok, o-order na kayo dun sa kiosk. May waiting area sila sa labas. So, dito kami naghintay for the other packs na kasama namin. Left.
I-bless na kay tita.
What? Ice.
Power po, there is a manual of how to eat your hamburger. By the way po, we serve 3 hamburgers. One at a time. On your first hamburger, you need to take 1 big bite first to enjoy the original flavor. And next, you will enjoy with our special sandwich. And on the second hamburger, we're going to serve po the grated daikon relish together with our homemade porky sauce. And on the last hamburger, the best way to enjoy is with the raw egg. And yung bread po, and you can add soy sauce or edible soy. And inside your drawer also, we have 3 pepper milk, pink salt, black pepper, and Japanese pepper. You just need to press it to the side. And you have the educational pantry model and the water heater. Both are self-service. And for the egg, can you get 1 egg per person and you can enjoy it on your third hour.
By the way, Madam Sir, just to inform you, our hamburger is already seasoned. First, I want you to put it on the top of your rice. Water na. Like your water mo. Ano your full na yan?
Sarap. Sarap.
Gusto niya, pinadala niya yung cabin.
May ABC Mart to. Parang dumami yung ano dito. Galingan nyo.
Galingan mo sis.
Ano ba yan? Background natin.
Pag-ROI tayo dito in few years. Uy, may salt. Matcha. Sige, para matikman na. Or itong chocolate malt. Ayaw niyo ba yung chocolate? Ayaw mo na pag-isa-isa na lang. Masarap to sis. Sobrang.
Hindi, you're yung pogi. You rather watch TV or go to Malabon.
Watch TV daw or go to Malabon.
Go to Malabon! And then watch TV because I live there. Go to Malabon or go to grass?
Go to grass.
Ay! Hindi sa Malabon ka na.
Dirty, let's go to Malabon.
No, sa grass lang.
Sa grass.
Sa grass lang.
What do you...
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Lakas.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yung kiss kuya ko ha. Nandita.
Happy birthday to
Tita Mikey and Kuya Iko.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Happy birthday, Tita Mikey!
Happy birthday, Tita Mikey.
Happy birthday, Kuya Iko!
Happy birthday, Kuya Iko. Yay! Thank you, Daddy.
Kiss! Kiss, kiss, Kuya Iko, kiss!
Kiss mo rin. Miss mo na yung tita mo. Sino ba
Hello. Hello.
Kaya meron kayo.
Kailangan may ano, pruweba.
Okay. Pruweba rin sa akin. Pruweba rin sa akin.
Kiss mo rin ako.
Yeah. Uy,
Let's try. What? Ah, you want to eat some cake? Oh. What's the taste? You like it? Alam mo. Isa pa, isa pa. No? No? Mahal pa dito. Saras pa din, guys. Saras.
Dali na! Yay! Yeah!
Bye-bye.
Oh, baba naman!
Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Dito lang nga, dito lang.
May luha na, may luha. Pap ko, ano na?
Ano, akala ko madali lang ko.
Yan!
Huwag masyado mabilis. Ikot-ikot lang.
Oh, careful.
Wow, init lang ko ah.
Paano?
Paano yung fit? Paano yung fit? Ay! Ah, ganun. Ay, ganun.
Ay, galing! Galing, paano?
O, tapos
Ay!
paano yung bell? Paano yung bell? Ayun.
Ay, galing naman!
Magic accelerator eh.
Brrrr!
Pero yun.
Kaya unlock yan ako 2 times pa.
Oh my God, you're scary, 30!
Yan.
Tapos yan ni Tito bukas. Ay,
Ano talaga yun yung parang ano,
happy birthday.
yung develop talaga.
Face the wheel kayo sa
Ba't si Papa? Anong ginawa niya?
Nag-face the wall. Or ikaw yung nag-face the wall.
Jump.
6, 7.
Ready?
Ano si 7?
Ready, tingnan mo.